My name is Akshay. My score was 612 and I had a chance to join Madras Medical College.
என் பேர் வந்து அருண்குமார். NEET exam வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமானதுனால நான் வந்து ஸ்டேட் போர்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான். ஆனால் என்னால NEET exam ஃபுல்லாக ப்ராப்பர் கோச்சிங் இருந்ததால் என்னால் கண்டிப்பாக பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. நீங்களும் கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷனோடு இருந்தீங்கன்னா NEET examன்றது வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான இல்லை. It's actually same as state board exams போல தான் இதுவும்.
I'm Amina Afroz Khatija and I'm doing my MBBS in Madurai Medical College.
This is Nishant from Arcad, Vellore district. Venper academy சேர்ந்து crash course பண்ணி அதில் படித்து வந்து ஒரு நல்ல மார்க் எடுத்து இப்போ அதோட பயணம் என்ன பண்ணுறேன்னா இங்கே பாருங்கள், the prestigious Madras Medical College. இந்தியாவிலேயே வந்து ஒரு தலை சிறந்த கல்லூரிகளில் ஒரு முக்கியமான கல்லூரி மெட்ராஸ் மெடிக்கல் காலேஜ். இந்த காலேஜில் வந்து நான் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் MBBS படிக்கிறேன்.
This is Shakti and I'm from a remote village exactly. And I scored 501 out of 720 and I got seat in the prestigious Madras Medical College. So I'm really thankful to Venper who helped me a lot to achieve this position.
Hi students, welcome you all to Venper Academy and I am very glad to be a part of their advisory panel. I have discussed with Dr. Srinivasan sir and my colleagues. I have seen their study material and the strategy they have used for this batch for next 40 to 60 days. Their study material is up to the mark and I have interacted with my colleague faculties in Venper Academy. They are really very good and the strategy they have made for this batch for next 40 to 60 days. I am convinced with that. They have regular classes, regular tests and their analysis. So students, join this batch of 40 to 60 days, attend all classes, write all tests and work hard. My best wishes are with you. Good luck and thank you.
When you take the 2019 NEET paper, please anyhow leave a message at Venper Academy that this question was asked in the paper. I'll be happy. And this will be asked.
Hi students, no worries, I am not here to explain my experiences. I am inviting you all to get experienced with Venper Academy. It is a very serious platform for all the NEET and JEE aspirants, and all the NEET and JEE aspirants of 2018 has used this platform and scored very high marks. And I'm very proud to say we have got placed students in all the government medical colleges from all the districts of Tamil Nadu in 2018. And now for 2019, we are with 20 learning centers across Tamil Nadu and 100 plus faculties, proven track record and strong advisory panel. So I request all the serious aspirants of NEET and JEE to use our short-term course which is going to commence in the month of March.
Venper's short-term program is a 100% result-oriented with predefined methods, is a 350-hour program. This program has got 240 hours of lectures where the crux of the 11th and 12th topics are explained by the faculties, followed by 56 hours of daily worksheet practice which is faculty assisted with doubt clearing sessions, and 56 hours of assessments, weekly assessments followed by faculty discussion is the total program description of Venper's short-term program.
Lecture sessions followed by discussions of the most probable questions of NEET 2019.
Our rigorous practice and worksheet sections boost your confidence.
Our cumulative and grand mock assessments equips you for the D-Day.
If you have the will, we have the way.
Venper Academy.